ready now.
You gotta keep it. It's ready. I know it's ready now. Yeah. Come on, baby, please. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I think that is an LS motor, man. I heard that starter. That ain't no old 350 starter. It would have been, it would have hit the flywheel. Yeah, that's an LS motor. That's why it ain't towed up yet. Damn, man, need another glue burnout. Nah, I ain't gluing them down no more though. Wasted all that gas during burnout. Yeah, now the tire's cold. Hey man, this side anyway. I don't care. Alright, wait a minute now. He ready, man. They shouldn't have let him started him on the line. He ready right now. Look, I'm telling you. He ain't even ready. He's so come on, Kobe. Good. Oh boy, ready, boy. Ooh, I can't wait to get him like a dog at the gate. Oh, he ready. He barking right now. Arr, arr. Here it comes. The door finna open. The left lane with the wind. He was doing all that barking and he didn't bit him. Went on and bit him, y'all. Oh, oh, oh. Man, that bad guy. Let me see something. Hey, look out, look out, look out. Ah, what's up with it, man? You here too? Okay. I think I want me some hot chocolate today, y'all. It's been a long time. This the kind of 03 Cobra y'all talking about building? What year it is? Look at who did the exhaust on the Caprice. On my first Caprice, I let Muffler Man do it. On this last Caprice, I let what's his name? On my first two Caprices, I let Muffler Man. And on the last one, I let what's his name? Hercules. Coming to Thanksgiving, where's that? I've been trying to figure out why I'm gonna have Thanksgiving. I got people that ain't even, you know, the people I usually, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do Thanksgiving, man. I got people inviting me over that I know cook good. I got people inviting me over that I don't know if they know how to cook. I got people inviting me. Tight, y'all. Y'all hear funky longer time voice. Let me see, we're going to Big Times. Yeah, it's a shop named Hercules. If you got like a slip fit exhaust and you just need to get welded, I recommend you to go to Hercules. If you're looking for a custom exhaust with all the bells and whistles and you wanted the, oh dude, look at the beads on the weld, to go to Muffler King. My grandma ain't cooking. The best Thanksgiving food is in it's in Louisiana, man. I got some family down there. They cook everything from scratch. They the best cooks that I know. Ain't nobody mess with them. I know I be going everything down there 10. I don't even be knowing what the hell I'm eating. I just 10. And Ned, got Annette down there, Sheena. Hey y'all. Vet looking alright. They had a good first gear. How many houses I'm going to? Man, I don't even know which one I'm going to yet, man. The most houses I done went to in one day, I think I've been to like 4 houses in one day, y'all. How many y'all been to on Thanksgiving in one day? Yeah, I be going house to house. 2 or 3. We had this discussion on my homegirl podcast, Hear Ye. How long do you leave? How long do you keep the leftovers from Thanksgiving? If it's Thanksgiving is on Thursday, when do you throw the leftovers away? What day is that? 3 days. Go on and put it out there. The old 5-0 has no feeling on the track with the stock block. Quite seen the 4-band amazing. Yeah. Damn, she